Tiffany. I am here with the brand new My Little Pony Potion Ponies blind boxes. I want to thank Hasbro for sending these to me for free to open up with you guys. We do have 8 of them. This is batch 1 and there are 24 to collect. I'm really excited. So let's get these open. Really excited. So little like potion bottles, shaped containers. And it looks like the checklist is like right on the inside of the bottle here. So let's check it out. Let's open this container up. Okay, here's the, oh wait, there's instructions. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Let's get the instructions out so we can figure out how to open this. Okay, it looks like we need water. So, luckily, I do have a bowl of water right here. It is ice water, so I hope that doesn't really affect anything. I always have a bowl of ice water here when I'm filming. So it looks like we're going to fill up our container. Hopefully, again, if it works with, it might not work with ice water, it might work with warm water, we'll find out. So these are all of the different ones we can collect. It looks like there's like little animals, little critters and everything. This is so interesting. I like this. So what I'm going to do, wait, where'd our, here it is. I was like, where'd it go? I mean, we really could just dunk this in the water. I think I kind of might want to do that. But really, if you stuck it in here and shook it up, it would, I kind of want to just do a big thing and put them all in here. Let's go ahead and fill this up and do it as instructed. So I have this filled a little bit with water, not all the way, but let's see what happens when we do this. So it is not watertight. That's why I'm mostly concerned with it kind of getting everywhere, you know. So this is how we do it, right? Maybe it is supposed to be warm water. It doesn't really specify. Maybe we just soak it. It seems like we're supposed to just leave it and then, I'm not really sure. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of leave it in the bowl back there and we're going to go ahead and unbox the rest of these and see what's going to happen. Because it doesn't, I mean, we have pictures obviously, but I'm thinking it must be warm water that it needs to change in. Has to be. So let's just go ahead and open up all of these. We're just, because like nothing, actually, is the water turning a little bit blue? No, I think it's just me. I really think that we need to get some warm water in here or something. So let me just open all of these up and then we'll kind of try to figure it out from there. I think that's the best way to do it. Yay! Alright, let's get this one open. My hands are all wet now, so it's trickier to get open. It has to be. I don't know. I'm trying to, I keep looking at the picture like, am I missing something? I'm definitely missing something. Let's open this up. Only a few more to go. Nothing's happening with them, so I'm really just tempted to cut them open, but we'll see. We're still gonna do, we obviously have cold water, which isn't working. We'll go ahead and fill this with warm water. Hopefully that will work. If not, I'm just gonna cut them open. So don't worry, we will eventually see all of the toys, the figures that we got. Just taking a little bit of time. So this is the last one we have, and I have a big giant bowl of bags here, so you can see. And nothing is, oh look, this one actually is starting to break open. Oh, okay, all right, we got one. Actually, never mind what I was about to say before. All right, so we have our very first one open and out. Look at this cutie. Look at this one. I feel like I need a towel or something to dry these guys off. I actually do have a paper towel here. So let's dry him off. Look at this, I like this a lot. He's adorable. I like the little animal ones. Really cute. So she still has the little like, unicorn horn there. But a doggy. With a little collar and everything. So this is just a hard plastic figure. I like the size of the figures too. Let's see if anything else has made its way out of the bag yet. I think this one. No, not quite yet. Let's see. We might need to give these more time. Oh, nope. We got one coming out. Oh, it already popped out. We have a little, I'm going to call it a bunny corn. A little bunny with a unicorn horn. How cute. That's so cute. I love these little figures. I want to see the ponies and what, oh, here's one. Here's a pony. I was gonna say, I want to see what the ponies look like. So the ponies are much bigger than the animals. Well, not much bigger, but they're definitely bigger than the animals. I like this one. This one has a glitter horn, and we have rainbow fur. I was gonna say fur, but it's mane and tail because she has white fur. And then she has a little cutie mark right there. This is pretty. I like these. I love the size of these figures. That's like my favorite part. Okay, and then we have another pony coming out here. We have this, oh, there's her cutie mark right there, and then she has shorter hair. She has her little unicorn horn though. I remember to wipe these guys off. Really cool. I'm excited for these. Definitely need to find more when they hit the shelves. Oh, and we have this little, oh my gosh, this is like a llama. Kind of looks like a llama or an alpaca pony to us, doesn't it? That's so cute. There's her cutie mark right there. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, how many more? We have a few more here. So this one isn't quite ready to be opened yet. This one is coming open here. It looks like we have a kitty. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of the cat from Rugrats. You guys, Fluffy, you remember Fluffy? That's what she looks like. I mean, minus the unicorn horn, but that's exactly what she looks like. Oh, so cute, so sweet. We have this one here. This one's kind of, yeah, there we go. It's coming open. Oh, it's a hippo. Look at that. I love these. I think I said I love these about 42 times, but it's true. I love them. All right, let's get this last one open. Let's just kind of rip it. And it looks like we have another hippo, but it's a pink one. So I do want to take one more look at the checklist just to see everybody. Now we have so many. There's turtles to collect. Are there like 2 of every animal? I don't know. I don't think so. Yes, it does look like, because there's 2 different dogs. Is there 2 different cats? There's 2 different turtles, 2 different hippos. I'm not seeing another cat. There's 2 different bunnies. Oh no, there's 2 different cats. Okay. All right, so there are pretty much 2 different animals. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.